How to enable developer mode for emulator use with Fire Kirin. First of all, open your device settings and scroll down to the About Phone section. Tap on it and look for the build number. Now tap on the build number 7 times continuously. You might be asked to enter your device password or PIN. Once done, you will see a message that says you are now a developer. Next, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down again. You will now see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on it to open. Inside the Developer Options menu, scroll through the list and make sure USB debugging is turned on. This is important for emulator use as it allows communication between your system and virtual environment. Now launch your preferred emulator like BlueStacks or LDPlayer. Install the Fire Kirin app inside the emulator and sign into your account as usual. Enabling developer mode helps improve compatibility and performance for apps like Fire Kirin when used inside an emulator. It's also useful for advanced features like manual app installation, logging, and testing behavior. Now you know how to enable developer mode for emulator use with Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.